What is one technique that a landlord could do on new tenancies to keep their tenancies exempt from the Tenants Protection Act? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I've seen some crafty landlords out here and property managers do this one technique that keeps them out of reach from the states or California's Tenants Protection Act of 2019. And what they end up doing is if they offer a lease term, they offer a lease for 11 months or less, basically. Why are they doing that? Well, under the Tenants Protection Act of 2019, currently, before anyone can get tenant protections under the act, you have to live there for 12 or continuous months. There are some exceptions if a new tenant is added on to a new lease, basically, that the law states that all tenants that have been added on have to live there for 12 months, or someone has to live there for 24 months or greater. But the tactic I've seen landlords use or property managers use is doing like an 11-month or less lease. Okay, you also could do month to month, but if you do 11-month lease, you have the benefits of a fixed term lease, for a definite period of time, and stay exempt from the Tenants Protection Act. Okay. My single dwelling landlords, obviously, my single family homes, condos, that's what I'm talking about here. You should be getting your AB 1482 exemptions in your lease agreement. But for landlords that may be subject to the Tenants Protection Act because their family's multifamily, there's more than one dwelling on the parcel, that type of deal, the 11-month lease might work. Word of caution, though. These crafty landlords get crafty. Municipalities also getting crafty too. There are some places that are regulating minimum lease terms. The most famous one that I can think of right now that's in my area is the city of Concord. They have an ordinance that mandates that you provide, give the tenant, offer the tenant a lease of 12 months or more, basically. And if they decline a 12-month lease, then I think you have to offer a 6-month lease, and then it goes like the 3 months, and then you can go month to month, something like that. But the main thing is local municipalities are catching on, so that may be subject to change, basically. If your city passes some type of ordinance. Another thing that municipalities are also doing to have more protections greater than the Tenants Protection Act offers is they're putting in just cause eviction ordinances that go into effect day one. The minute you sign the lease and give over possession, the city's protections apply. So a lot of cities are doing that as well too, because the TPA has this 12-month residency requirement before the protections go into effect. So those are some things you can think about. Obviously, if you have any questions, landlord tenant related, feel free to reach out to us below. I know if you guys got questions, comments, put them down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.